The weather is extremely hot today. By extremely hot, I mean it's insane. Very, very hot day. Alright? But I have two fragrances for you, okay, to use in order to beat the heat. Alright? Let's go. The first fragrance that I'm going to talk about here is Dolce Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense. This is the Pour Homme edition, which means for men. Alright, this fragrance is one of the best fragrance when it comes to beat the heat. Alright, so one thing is, when I sweat, okay, this morning, just about this morning, when I started to sweat, suddenly my shirt gets extremely smelly. And I hate it really, really much. Now, this fragrance, it is a remedy for this morning, so that people will not smell my smelly shirt or the smelly odor on my body, because this fragrance is extremely good at beating the heat, so to speak. Right, this fragrance, it has a lot of citruses at the top. All right, it has that signature mandarin orange kind of a citrus, okay, and in the middle it has this seawater kind of a middle notes, and it travels down with a musky base. This fragrance is an extremely nice fragrance because this fragrance, it is suitable to use for gym, okay, for when you are especially sweating as well. This fragrance is extremely nice. It gives us a lot of this nice citrusy energetic vibe. Now, this fragrance is also very nice to be used for workplace as well, because it is not offensive, because citruses normally, it has very pleasant type of a citrus and seawater note as well, and you want an aquatic fragrance, okay, that will not offend other people. This fragrance will be it. Okay, it's an extremely nice choice of a fragrance. And not to mention, the fragrance actually, it does have a little bit of a lackluster performance, but it is normal. Okay, it is normal to expect something which is a little bit like lackluster in performance when it comes to a citrus based kind of a sporty fragrance, just like this. Second fragrance from this list goes to Missoni Wave. Now, Missoni Wave and Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense, they have something in similar. They do share a little bit of this mandarin orange kind of a citrus together, all right? And both of these are very aquatic as well. They are both very marine. They have marine kind of an accord in the sense that they both have seawater notes in it, okay, which makes these two fragrances to be extremely great, okay, for the hottest of the day. Okay, it's an extremely nice fragrance, okay, in order to to cover the odor of your body in case if you are sweating and suddenly you get smelly your body, right? This fragrance does the job just as well. All right, and this fragrance, it is a touch more aromatic compared to Light Blue Eau Intense. Now, when all said and done, this fragrance is extremely nice to be used as well. You can use it for when you are going to sport, okay, when you're going to the gym, when you're going to work. This fragrance is very pleasant in itself. All right, I liken this fragrance to something like Chanel's Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. Okay, that is one of the most favorite fragrances in my lifetime. Okay, personally, I find it to be an extremely nice fragrance. Now, this fragrance, it is in that realm as well. Love it really, really much. Love every second of me using this fragrance. You'll find me using this fragrance frequently. So there you have it. These are the list of a fragrance that you can use to literally beat the heat. I call this my sun-kissed kind of a fragrance. But one fact is, I really hate to be sun-kissed. I really hate to get sun-kissed because it's extremely hot. I don't really like it because I sweat a lot. Okay, my body sweats a lot. Now, these two fragrances is suitable for you. Okay, this is a touch more aromatic. This is a little bit more citrusy. All right, it is more potent in its citrus kind of a blend. All right, these two fragrances are extremely nice for you in order for you to use it during an extremely hot weather, summer, very hot days. For now, it's like 32, 34 degrees. Perfect choice.